Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Come for the trading, but stay for the fun. Happy trading, everyone. My name is Future Orbits, and welcome to some live session here. Hello, Stan. Hello, Par. Hello, Rule. Hello, Maxi. Guys, I'm still. Was anybody in the VP live? Yes, they were. 20 people were live on. Hello, M7. I'm still sick, guys. I'm still sick, so I won't be as loud as energetic and going crazy. Yeah, it's not as sick as I was Thursday, so it's much better. I'm okay for trading. I'm okay for being live, but I'm just not as gonna be as energetic. Okay. All right. So let's put some alerts here. And let's get into the good part. The good stuff. So we've had this ginormous uptrend on gold. And then in this triangle formation here, we smashed through right there. Oh, and we created this all-time high at 5,600. Then we came down for a big correction here at 4,300, 4,400. Then we came one more time up. We didn't manage to take out the high. So we created a lower low, lower high. And then the next thing we were waiting for was another lower low. And we got that here at the 200 daily SMA. And then from there, we got a bounce up and create a new lower high. And now we created our new lower low. So what is the next thing you are expecting when you have a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low? Next thing you will expect is a lower high or the higher high, right? So if price comes up, creates a lower high to continue down, or if price comes up, bounces, and now this is the low and it's not going to come back again, then you are done with this correction. And the correction has been working really, really well, because as you can see here, came down to the 0.618 level. We came down almost 50% to the 0.78 level. We retested this previous triangle formation. We also took out this low from March 23. So everything is set in stone for this. Basically, everything in this area here, I'm buying it. You know, this is a buy for me. So if we move this, and this is our box, we go to the daily, we can see here we had this low retest into this daily fair value gap right there, and then we bounced down and we came down to the order block right there. So now if I see the confirmations on the lower time frame to continue up, then I would be happy to say that I'm done with selling, and now I'm just going to get in for buys. So let's look at the 12 hour and see here, am I satisfied here? We got our order block, we got our long wick here, we got a rejection, retest, and we took out the order block, perfect. 8 hour, am I satisfied? We had a missing bottom wick here, but then we came down, we grabbed that liquidity there. We got a wick fill liquidity here, we got an order block, and we bounced up. I'm happy there. 4 hour, am I satisfied there? Well, it looks like I would be satisfied because we got a long wick here coming down, tapping where we could see higher highs being formed now. And we also got a retest here at 105. But when I go into the hourly time frame, I'm not 100% satisfied, because if we look over here, then I'm still seeing a potential retest of 4,070 right here, because I don't have my bottom wick like I had here. You see this? Go here to the 1 hour, you see here, got a good long wick here, good long wick here, good long wick, good long wick here, here, perfect. I'm satisfied. I don't need it to go lower. I'm happy. Here, nice as well, but here, this is not satisfying for me. I need price to come down and sweep this for me to go more in on the buys, right? So I take it over here and I drag it all the way over here. And then if I could see something like this today, that would make me very, very happy. That would make me be like, okay, now we can go up and retest 4,600 or 5,000 and then come down maybe to 3,400 from there. But we don't need to. We don't need to, right? So I'm waiting for price to come a little bit lower. So where are we going to sell? Where are we going to take a sell from? Where could we take a sell from? Well, we could sell here from this 1 hour fair value gap at 4,163 to 679. Or we can go to the lower time frame and look at, did we take out this high right here? Yes, we did. But did we take out this high here? No, we didn't. Did we get a rejection here? Yes. Did we get another rejection here? Yes. Did we fill the missing bottom wick we had here? Yes. So if this 15 flips now, then I would like to take a sell down with stop loss just above here and retesting those lows. And let's see, does it line up with my levels? Yes. We have our sell zone starting here at 4,132. So personally, this is what I will be looking for today. Okay. All right. Let's see. Hey boss, your mic is not that loud. My mic is not that loud. I'm sorry. I'm sick. I'm sick. I can turn it up a little bit. Wait. Is that better? Is that better? Is it better now? Is the mic better now? Can you hear me better? I'm gonna join at the end of the month. Let's go, Bits. Hey, Stain, excited. Excited. Hey, boss, you good? I'm still sick, Arnoldson, but I'm doing better. Hey, Leon. Sounds good. Good plan. Much better. Hey, Obits, how's it going? Are you feeling better? I'm feeling better, yeah. Feeling better. Much better. Yes? Okay, good. All right. So, yeah, this is what I'm waiting for, guys. I'm waiting for price to go down from here, or I'm waiting for price to come up here and take out the high and close bullish so we can get in for buys, right? Let's see. Came down, retested the fair gap. That's a nice start. Want to put my EMAs here. Wait. Want to see what's going on here. Okay, they're not crossing yet. So as long as they're not crossing, I think the uptrend have not started yet. How far up is the 200 SMA now? Okay, 200 SMA is at 165 now. Been a while, brother. You were not here Thursday, Black? You were not here Thursday? Let's see. Sorry, guys, if the energy is a little bit low, but I am still sick. Still sick. I'm waiting for confirmation for price to continue lower, or I'm waiting for confirmation to break the high and come up. Not been here for months. Ah, okay, Flag. Has there been any updates with your indicator on trading you? Oh no, I haven't been looking into it. Sorry, Flag. I really haven't been looking into it. We started becoming a lot of people in the VIP, and I was just a lot focused on the VIP. Where you been, Flag? Where you been, man? Living the life or what? Work's been dragging me out from the chart. Yeah. We know that too well. I think that's the issue for a lot of people. They see gold being down at these lovely levels, so you can be ready to buy the dip, but people don't have the time nor the funds to do it. So, yeah. You want me to take pills, Leon, or what? Or what does it mean? I'm not taking pills, bro. We're still just waiting here, guys. Last time I traded was when gold is still at 3,600, I think. Wow, you missed the 5,600 flag? You missed that. That was a lovely uptrend, man. 3,600 for the flu. Oh, I don't have flu anymore, Leon. I'm still sick in terms of my throat. My throat is still itchy. It's still like still like there's something stuck. You can hear I'm like my voice sounds rusty, or it sounds like I can't really get the words properly out. But my stomach, my head, my temperature, everything is feeling good, and I'm not sick anymore. I still just have the leftovers from my throat, right? So my throat is itchy, and there's still liquid stuck somewhere. I don't know where, and I'm still like coughing, you know. So that's it. My nose is not running. I don't feel hot. I don't feel cold. I don't feel bad. I don't have stomach problems, anything like that. Okay, let's see here, guys. You need some extra pips to get full health. Oh yeah, that's how we recover, bro. That's how we recover. It's about pips. That could actually be crazy. Think about this. You're sick. In order for you to feel good, you just need some pips. Oh, I just took like a scalp, like 20 pips. Now I feel much better. Crazy. Wait, guys. Is it already confirmed? No, it's not. It's not confirmed yet. We need to see the 50-minute bearish closure below here. For you guys to take a trade like this with stop loss just above here, we need to close bearish below here. Wait for the 30. Ah. I'm waiting for response regarding copy trading. All right. You reached out to my team or what? Or you reached out to me? You kind of sound like a real action hero right now. Really? That's great, man. Oh, for if you're talking about account management and it's me, then you send it like wait, Aaron. Wait, yeah, I'll send it to you. Hopefully, it's not gonna. Oh, yeah, okay, cool. All right, Aaron, I send it to you. I'll send it to you. There you go. What's going on here? Hey, 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 just joined. Hello, hello, guys. Hmm. See?
Get shit on, brother.
We're almost there, guys. We just need the retest, right? Need the retest. I am very tempted to press the buy button. All right, bro. What makes you very tempted to press the buy button? No, Stan. We have the bearish closure. We just need a retest. All right, silver is crushing. Silver is crossing. Look at that. Have we bought it yet? Or are we waiting for confirmation? I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for confirmation for the buys, bro. For the sells, I'm just waiting for retest. Hmm. Are you a day trader, sir? No, I am not. I am a long-term positioning trader. I only take big trades. But Naldi, you can take a day trade with us here now because we're on Twitch right now. On VIP, I take the long trades. On Twitch, sometimes we catch them, but mostly, I'm only live for 2 to 3 hours. So usually we take 100 pips, 200 pips, maybe 300 pips, and then we hit PE, right? Just what we're trading today, always trading the same gold. Hello, Bits. How are you? I'm still sick, bro, but everything is good except my throat. I'm waiting for a retest, guys. If we get a retest and a flip, then I can sell. What levels do you mark out and how do you attain a bias? So, if you were here from the beginning of the stream, I explained that we got a lower low, then a lower high, and then we came down, retested here, and then we tried to close above here, but we failed. So for me, I still see us come down to 4,096 or 4,091 or 4,083, or even my level here at the 4,070 before we move up. But yeah, I got all my bearish levels got hit. We hit them all. So I've been starting buying, and I'm just layering buys right now. So I'm just looking for buys. So I will buy every single dip I can, and just take gold up to 5,000. But right now I'm just selling down to buy it up. On Twitch, you cannot take those long rates because I'm live here between the hour after stock market open and New York session open, and then I will be live for 2-3 hours. After that, I go offline. So if you guys are in a trade with me and then suddenly, I go offline, then I cannot give you the confirmations or help you. So it's like usually what we do, we enter something like this. We go risk free after 100 pips, and then we trail stop loss, down, right? But my bias, of course, is that we had a bullish order block here, and we tested the 0.78 level in the bullish order block here. So I'm bullish until we break these lows here. For me, you are in the order block now, and if you retest it and continue going up, then you have double bottom. So my bias is bullish, but on the lower time frame, it's bearish. So daily bullish bias, but lower time frame bearish. Can you please make a day for a long position? Well, if you paid attention to my previous streams, bro, you would have had one from the 200 SMA. We took it up to, I think it went to 4,600 from 4,100. And then I also talked about between 4,000 and 4,100. So if you bought like anywhere between 4,000 and 4,100, and you took it up to 4,300, that was also 3,000 pips. You might get the dip today. I'm not sure. It might take some time. Usually for double bottoms, I mean, you still need to create structure once you come up. But if you get something like this, sweep, and then this is the daily, and now you're in the daily retest as we retest the daily, and then you go up, right? Then it's this exact same scenario, right? You didn't create this, of course, because you already swept this, so you don't need to have that long wick. But you have this wick here, which is very long. Not as long as this, but it's long. And we came up from there, showing that the buyers are still here. Then we came up, retested that daily fair value gap, and came down into the order block once again. Exactly the same thing here, right? Came up, retested daily fair value gap, and then we came down again. So if you find support here, you're going to 5,000, right? But if you cannot seem to find support, then it's going to be difficult, right? That's why it's good that we have the sells, so we can counter sell versus the buys. So if we lose the buys, we still have our sells. Do you expect it to hit your TP in 3 hours? Which TP, bro? Which TP? Go off. Oh, this one. I'm expecting this to hit today, yeah. Yeah, I'm expecting this to hit today. But I don't know if the bullish momentum will start today. I don't know if it's going to happen during Asia session or if it's going to happen tomorrow. But I think once you have the support, you're gonna go really, really high. Hopefully it's gonna happen today, bro. Hopefully it's gonna happen now or during HS session. We started the week by being bearish again, by coming down one more time and one more time. But we closed bullish. So if this is the final bottom wick for liquidity, well, you should start going up, right? If the daily closes bearish today, if we close the daily down here, like, you know, then we could come down and sweep those lows. So we'll see. Wednesday manipulation day, then Thursday moon. But then my question is, what will happen during Wednesday? Will it go up first or will it go down first? Right? Because the manipulation can also give you the pips. Right? If the manipulation is that, oh, we are no longer going down anymore and it just goes up, well, you can also take advantage of that, right? Or just chop. Ah, okay, just chop. If it's just chopping, I'm still in. I'm still gonna be in my positions. I'm not gonna be scared about chopping. I'm just not gonna, you know, I'm gonna put my positions and then I'm just gonna leave it. So. Okay, guys, in 3 minutes, we get the 15-minute bearish closure. If we can get a retest, a flip, I will gladly be in it. Hey, Martin. Well noted. Let me try. I'm ready. That sounds good, Naldi. I think it will go up for a bit. 4,124. Well, it did go up to 4,144. So you're not wrong. I took a trade from these highs. I'm out already. Then you are a scalper. I don't scalp, bro. But but sometimes we are forced to do it. Sometimes we are forced to do it because we just have choppiness. But I don't feel like this is choppy. I don't feel like this is choppy. I feel like this is structure. Red is bad. I was on silver. Are you on silver? Him down swept my level. Nice. But still no bearish closure below the levels. Okay. Do I get my retest now? I think we might get the retest now, guys. Hello, Speeds. Come on, give me the retest. Hey, Ulu. Bubsy, how's it going, man? Always, do you ever look at other indicators like RSI or MACD or for other extra confirmations? No, because if you put too many confirmations on your chart and if you put too many lines and if you have too many things running, you just get confused, Rule. So I prefer to keep it at a minimum. See, I turn it off as well. I look at the 200. I saw that, okay, it was up at 165, right? I look at the 200, the 20, 50, and 100 and 200 EMA. I see they're above. Okay, cool. And then I look at my sell level, right? and that's about it, right? All right, guys. I'm gonna have sell stop. I'm gonna have sell stop 124. Okay. 124 sell stop. Okay. You cannot see that. A bit better, like this one. I think that's better. Okay, guys. Let me know if you're in the trade. Let's see. Where's the TB? TB1 is going to be 4,104. TB2 is going to be 4,074. That's where I'm looking to layer my buys, right? 4,744. Let's see. If I get my retest now, I can add an additional trade. See? Have you set your sell stop? Just got here. Yep, Elliot. Have you set your sell stop? You trade with the time or volume or structure? I just trade with structure. I just trade with structure and the price action, and then the EMAs. See?
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, Jace. Thank you for the follow. Nice live stream. Hope you're doing well. Jace, we are having a sell stop here at 24. The price comes down here. Sweep this low. And we're in it for the money. If you want to see the TP visually, you put it there. That's the TP one. Let's see, guys. We were bouncing off the 50 level. We sure were. 44. Down from 146. Come down. Stop loss. Next level I'm seeing here, guys, is going to be 19 and then 100. In the 50-minute fair value gap, bro, that's where I'm planning to buy, looking for confirmation. Oh, it's good luck to us. Oh, you're planning to buy the 50-minute fair value gap? Okay. I'm looking for sell, bro. Down to our buy. And I'm looking for buy in this 30-minute fair value gap here. Right there. 4,100. Or the order block here or the sweep of this low, right? So I'm not really there yet for buys. But yeah, I understand why people want to buy this. It took out the high. So you wait for retests and then continuation to the upside, right? That's what people are doing. More minutes, guys. The hourly is about to close bearish. You second, guys. I'm back again. Let's see here if we tap the 0.78 level. Also where you have the previous order block. Right there. I got my top pick here, so I'm satisfied. Top of the hour. Yeah. We got a bearish hourly candle closure. Right there. So 50% here. Makes sense. 50 to 0.618 level. Yeah, 33, 32. I only trust ball streamers. Oh, that's great. That's great, man. I love that comment. I love that comment. Ball streamers. Do you know ball guy money? Do you know ball guy money, bro? Do you think tonight we'll sweep London low session? I think tonight we're gonna get the levels from where we can buy. Like we gonna probably gonna come down to 4,100, maybe even 4,083 or 4,068, 71, 74. I'ma add more buys once we get down there. But you guys are not gonna see it here, probably. Unless it happens now, of course. Usually it happens like right before the market closes. And then you guys are gonna miss it, and then we get it in the VIP instead. But yeah. Sometimes it's opposite. Cool. Let's see if we can hold this level. Umbaka. I got my top wick here now. So if this flips on the 15, then we could add another sell. Sadly, it won't go down. I think you should have patience, man. 30 level is always a bitch. Like with 30, like whether it's like 130, 230, 330, 430, 530, doesn't really matter which 30 it is. 30, it always has like liquidity to like 15, 18, 20, and 25. And on the other side, it has like, 32, 35, 40, 45, you know what I mean? Like, always like, if it's bearish, it's like comes up, grabs that liquidity just above it, and then dumps. If it's bullish, it comes down, grab that liquidity, and then it goes up. Always like that. See that? It came up. Still respected 30, right? Because where did you close? You closed here at 32, right? So you came up all the way to 44. So people went in for buys here, and then they got faked out, and then they hit their stop loss here, right? And then people who were in for sells here now, we're waiting to see is this going to roll over like this? But people who are panicking and people who get out early, they probably already hit their stop losses, right? So it's grabbing liquidity to both sides. I'm patiently waiting to see, is this going to roll over and respect the trend line, or is this going to break out to the upside? And if it breaks out to the upside, remember we have our buy stop here, right? I think it's fine. You bullish or bearish now? Which time frame, Oscar? I'm bearish on the lower time frame. I'm bullish on the higher time frame. We need to sell down to buy up. I'm bullish because of this, Oscar. See? We swept that liquidity and closed bullish. We're still in that order block. So I'm bullish on the high time frame, but on the lower time frame here, I'm bearish for the structure here. And then we got a retest, we got a sweep. And now let's see if it rolls over and comes down to our buy levels, buy zones. Dude, you know, time is fractal. If you're bullish in high time frame, you should be looking for upper moves. I am. I'm looking for upper moves, bro. I'm in buys. I'm in buys from 4,059 and 4,056. I'm just waiting to see, are we going to come down and sweep that, or are we coming only down to 74 or 4,100? And then from there, we're going up. I'm selling down to buy up. Oscar, this is not the stock market. Let's see, guys, if we can roll over and come down so we can buy up. No, you said the stock market. If you're talking about the market, are you talking about real estate as well? Talking about crypto as well? Talking about SpaceX? Beautiful. Let's see.
I do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay, yeah. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay, yeah.
Hey, Michael. Hey, Wick. Hey, GPT. Like, you guys are always here, bro. You guys are always here. Like, every single time Michael, he goes offline, he just comes here and then he just like hosts me and then rates me and then you guys come in here. So you go from one trade to another trade. That's crazy, man. GPT, can you Can you mention how many times this guy has been rating me? How many times has this been guy rating me? Like Buron Gio. Let me hear the DJ Obits. Let's go. Hope you feel better soon. Thank you so much, Sabalon. We are in a sell here, bro. We just triggered our sell stop here at 24. We are currently at entry right now. I'm still sick, guys. I'm still sick, so sorry if I sound like a Superman or bro.
Bo_shipchick subbed and joined the Obits fam.
Thank you so much for the Prime sub, Bo. The reason why I sound like a super action figure, as one of my followers said, is because I'm still sick. I'm not sick in my stomach or my head anymore. It's just my throat. It's just simply my throat. So I just have a very, very deep voice right now, and it's rusty, and it sounds like I've been smoking for my whole life, you know. But I can still trade. I can still be here with you guys. So it's all good. First day was crazy. First day was crazy. That was too much. First day was crazy. What days are you streaming? I stream Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday after the stock market and the New York session open, I will usually go live 30 minutes to 1 hour later. So yeah, sell stop triggered. Sell stop is triggered. Yes. Sell stop triggered. It went to 23.50. So I think everybody's in now. You forget me? Botche, are you on YouTube or what? Oh, because you put some emojis, bro. I cannot see emojis on YouTube. I don't know what it is, man. But it's easier to translate the what's going on from Twitch to my Streamlabs rather than from YouTube. I don't know. YouTube just doesn't show up with the emojis. Thanks. I'll check in. Chicken. Let's see, guys. Michael, what are you looking at, man? Are you looking for a bullish continuation, like close above, retest, close above, retest, and then continuation up? Or are you actually looking for that sweep to come down, grab some of that liquidity to then go up? I want to be interested in hearing what you guys have been doing. Trump anticipates better relationship with Colombia under new leader Abelardo de Espriella, who primarily I cannot pronounce it. That results suggest in Colombia's next president. Okay, are you on a trade? Yes, we are on a trade.
Tom Quack subbed and joined the Obits fam.
Tom Quack, thank you so much for the tier 1 subscription. Nice and live stream. Hey, Frankie, there you are. Follow. Thank you. SpaceX succumbs to gravity as the stock briefly dips below its debut price on Nasdaq SpaceX. Shares are down for the 4th day in a row as the tech sector broadly comes under pressure. Yeah. So guys, what we want to see now is we want to see the bearish closure below here. Okay, if price decides to close bullish above here, then it's going to be difficult, right? Because it came into the 50-minute fair value gap, it retested the 0.78 level in this order block, so it has to come down and close bearish below for continuation to the downside. I think if price starts moving up here and close above, maybe I will just get out there with 40 pips or 60 pips in drawdown. But for now, it's still fine for me. I still have patience. We closed bearish, then we closed bullish, but didn't manage to break the high. We swept, came down, closed below. And even though now it's still below my sell zone. Okay, guys? So my sell zone starts here at 32. We're still below my sell zone. So I still see more downside potential. But after 100 pips, we are going to go risk-free, okay? So 14, we're going to go risk-free. And then we have TB1 at 105. But yeah, you're investing in SpaceX, DBT? Are you the actual chat DBT? I want to know. Are you the actual chat DBT? Must be, right? Let's see, guys. If you're not in from 24, you had a chance to get in for 35. You had a chance to get in for 30. You had a chance to get in for 29. Let's see, guys. Starting to form the triangle pattern here, huh? Did my alerts here. I'll be right back, guys. I just need to refill my water. Okay. My water. Let me put this one. Wait. So we got the refill water and we got some tea. All right, guys. Let's see. Gonna break to the upside or are we gonna break to the downside? Looks like they're trapping. They're trapping the buyers here. You see that? You see how we came up here? And people, they bought the breakout. Came down, retested, and then people bought again here. I'm also very sure that people, they bought in this 50-minute family gap because it seems bullish to them. Because they saw this as a break, but you didn't break above this high. You closed respectfully below. So it was not bullish at all. And this 15, guys, it didn't close above, right? It closed here. It didn't close above this high. It didn't close above 44. So we don't have, you know, a structural break here. So for me, it's still bearish, but I get why people are doing it. They're using ICT and stuff like that. Smart money concept and ICT and all that. It's called like chains of development, chains of chains of chains of like Donkey Kong or something. Chains of structural equilibrium, bottle cap, 360 no scope, smart money, official governor, Trump being hit in the butt from 69, like, I don't know. Can't believe that's New York session. Where is volume? Is it good to enter now? You can still enter because we are still in drawdown. We entered here at 24, so we are at 29, so that's 50. You get 50 pips better entry than me. So if you want to take the trade with me, and if you believe in the trade, you can take it still. But I would never encourage you to take it if we are already in profit. I mean, 20 pips, 10 pips is okay, but 30 pips, 40 pips, more than that is like, no. But as long as we're in drawdown, of course you can take it. You get much better risk to reward than we do. Change of character. Yeah. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. There are just so many people who use the smart money concept and you know, ICT. So I see why people are buying this. They see this as, oh, a higher high, then they see it as a higher low, they see it as a higher high, and then it comes down into the 50-minute fair value gap, and then because it bounces here, people are buying it. I'm like, why? This is not a bullish fair value, 50-minute fair value gap. Not at all. Why? Because we didn't close bullish above here. We didn't close bullish above 44, guys. So it's not bullish. Hello? This is a manipulation gap. Manipulation gap to make you buy here. Make you buy here. Like, yeah. But I understand why people are doing it. I understand. I joined now, so what is your analysis for it to go down? Go down. My analysis is that it's going down because it is bearish because we didn't break the high. Yeah. No, I will tell you, bro. I will tell you. I will tell you. So we created a lower low here, right? We created a lower low, but we don't know if this is the final, you know, low here, because technically you created a higher low. Since the low was here, then you went all the way up here to 4,300. So when you came down here and you closed here, then this could have been the higher low, but it wasn't. We closed below that low again, but it can still be the higher low. Why? Because you didn't break the lowest low here, right? So for me, I'm bullish on the higher time frame, but I am bearish in terms of there is a 30-minute bullish fair value gap down here. See that? The 30-minute bullish fair value gap down here. So I want price to come down and fill this fair value gap first before you start being bullish. But people, they see that we closed above here and we closed above here and then we came down, and they see this as a higher high, higher low, higher high. But what they forget is that you left a 30-minute fair value gap down here, and you have to tap this in order for you to go up. So for me, this is a fake out. You swept the highs, you closed above it, but you still closed respectfully in the sell zone, right? You just swept it, you didn't close above it. Did I close below it again? Then you had a manipulation 15-minute candle here where you make buyers buy in the 15-minute fair value gap, and then price comes straight down again. So a lot of people are buying, and that's why I'm selling, because I always go against the crowd. Because it doesn't make sense if millions of people are buying that it just goes up, because it's not going to be difficult for anybody, right? If you can just buy now and it just flies up, it will be too easy, right? So my bias is that we go down to go up. I think we're gonna go down to 4,000, between 4,000 4,100. If we come down into 30-minute family gap and we reject from there and we start building bullish structure from there, like fine, I'm okay. I don't need more lows. I don't need more dips. But personally, I would like it to come down and touch 3,985 or a sweep below 4,000. But that's just my opinion from a institutional perspective. Because it's too easy, guys, just to buy here. Let's buy. Let's buy. It's too easy. You have to understand that most retailers, their stop loss is going to be your TP. Most of the time, their stop loss is going to be your TP, right? Retailers, they're buying this family gap. Probably have stop loss below here, right? Stop loss below this family gap. And then they're targeting this high here, I guess. Something like that. So if price wants to come down, sweep those lows, take out their stop losses, then it's going to go straight down to my TP, right? But we'll see. It depends because we're in a triangle formation here now. And as long as you don't break the triangle formation to the downside, you don't break the triangle formation to the upside, then we're choppy. And if you close here bullish on the 1 hour, then I cannot take any trade, right? Because then it's invalidated because you're not closing below my sell zone and you didn't break out for a buy zone. So as long as the longer you stay in here, the more this trade is going to be choppy. And if it's just going to be choppy for New York, then I'll buy it in Asia. Okay. I'm very patient, guys, when it comes to trading. Very patient. I might not seem like that when we sometimes are live because I only have 2 to 3 hours to give you a signal or two. But it's like, it's not up to me, right? Are you still there, guys? Are you falling asleep? Thank you so much, Tom Kwok, for the tier 1 subscription. Thank you, Bo, for the Prime subscription. Thank you, Frankie, for the follow. And thank you, McCall, again, for the raid. Thank you for the follow, Jay and Pervik. And Nadal, thank you for the follow on Facebook. And Lynn, thank you for the follow. Thank you so much, guys, for the support and for being here. Hopefully, we're going to see this breakout to the downside soon. Patience I need. This is why I trade on the 15-minute, guys, because then you don't get to stress yourself, you know? When you trade on the 15-minute, you don't get to stress yourself. If you look at the 1 minute and the 5-minute, let's go to the 1 minute. If you look at this, I'm going to buy, I'm going to sell, I'm going to buy, I'm going to sell, I'm going to buy, I'm going to sell, I'm going to buy, blah, 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 blah. It's just like, it's nonsense, right? It's like all over the place. It's so much noise. 5 minutes as well, like you know, like it's on the 15-minute. It just looks so clean, right? It looks so clean, right? Down, weep, retest, weep, continuation, weep, right? It looks so clean. I love it. As long as you don't break above these highs over here, you're still bearish, right? Even on the lower time frame. Looks so clean. I love it. Patience is a virtue. Patience is what we need. Yeah, yeah. I should have a patient bar, guys. I should have like a patient sound. Like saying, patient, like I whip you. And then I say, patience is key. Patience is key. Or I will do like, FBI, open up! Patience is key. Something like that. Every time somebody's like stressing, be like,
FBI, open up!
right? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Tapping 130 again. Let's see if we reject from here now. Got missing bottom wick right here. If it breaks above, then we can buy. Yes. Yeah, if it breaks above, then we can buy. For sure. Today might be choppy, guys, and then tomorrow will be the move to the downside, and then we'll have the move to the upside on Thursday. But it would be nice if we could just come down and grab that last liquidity that we need.